how dangerous is a DIY crossbow that shoots 67 miles per hour. But in this video I want to achieve 100 miles per hour. In order to do that, I have to fix 3 problems with this crossbow that I had in my last video. Starting with the first problem, the arrows. According to ChatGPT, the problem are the wings, because I made them 1/3 of the arrow length. But GPT suggests me to make them 1/5 of the length. So I made them smaller and with plastic instead of paper. To make the arrows more effective, I built a metal point so it doesn't get damaged in one hit. Second problem, the aim. Now that the arrow doesn't fly like a boomerang, I need to know where exactly the arrow goes. I cut out a plexiglass piece that fits perfectly with these cardboard parts. For the cross, I glued thread on the plastic because permanent markers are too easy to remove on this. To mount the scope, my first idea was to secure it with rubber band, but that will block the trigger. To fix that, I glued a piece to the scope to mount it like this. Plus, I extended these guidelines so the aim is more accurate. I think it looks cool. Third problem, the gravity. This doesn't have to do anything with shooting, but if you face down the crossbow, then the arrow will fall off. To solve that, I went for magnets which I fitted in the crossbow body and blade rest in the arrows. I slide it like this and yes, it's actually working. Now let's break the 100 mph speed, hopefully. The test will go like this. I will shoot the big and small arrow 5 times. Depending on where they hit, they will get points. And while doing this test, I am using 8 rubber bands on each side, which is more than last time. So it should give me the 100 mph speed while testing. If not, I'm gonna use more rubber bands until it breaks or I achieve my goal. To be honest, my aim and the arrows were so horrible that I have to count only the hits that hit on the target. I just gave the measurements to ChatGPT and the speed I reached is, yeah, kinda disappointing. Even with 3 frames, I reached around 90 miles per hour. But I'm gonna round it up to 100 miles per hour because I was recording the test in 120 FPS and that is a fraction of a real slow-mo camera. And that's why I can't get clear results. Subscribe and share so I can afford one, but if I measure the weight, I get more joules with a smaller arrow because it is way faster. If you enjoyed this video, click here so you can build your own crossbow with a free template in it. See you there.